So dying while being alive is the most beautiful and profound, transformative thing you can experience in this human embodiment. And when I say dying, it's not about the physical body. It's about something deeper. All the ideas, all the false beliefs that you added along the way on yourself. This is what we call awakening. So you somehow awaken to the truth, to what is here, right now, right away. So I died. 1,000 days ago, I had a kind of shift in perspective, and I realized that I wasn't Tony. I wasn't me as a person. I wasn't me as a story. I wasn't me as a voice in my head. I wasn't me as my past and my projection into the future. All of this is pure illusion, you see. And when you wake up from this dream, because you are dreaming, if you believe right now that you are a person experiencing things in this world, seeking happiness, seeking fulfillment, seeking to be somehow whole and complete, seeking love as well. If you think that you are this person, you are dreaming right now. And you can wake up from this dream, as I did. Because I used to seek love, completeness with the material world, with experiences, with through relationships. Yeah, seeking love with relationships is a recipe for misery, you see. Because all of this is within yourself. The love you've been seeking your whole life is within yourself. Everything is within yourself right now. And when you stop this movement, the movement of seeking, when you stop believing everything you hold about yourself, when you somehow remain now, even for a brief moment, for an instant, you can tap into the truth, you can tap into the present moment. When you forget everything. So I had this shift in perspective, and this changed my life, yeah. And in the same times, it hasn't changed anything, because I have always been this. You have always been this as well. We are all this. We are all this, what we call consciousness, presence, or just this. And this is colorless. It has no gender. It has no age, no name. It simply is. And the question is how to awaken to this. I truly don't know why watching this, if you are familiar with this, you see. It might strange. It might be strange for you if this is the first time you hear about spiritual awakening. But even if it's the first time for you watching this, I know that deep down something resonates with this. It's like a reflection. Because every single human, everybody desire to be happy. We all want to be happy. We all want to be at peace. We all want to be joyful and complete, you see. And the issue we encounter is that nobody gives us the instruction manual to be happy, to find our true self somehow. So we are lost in this world, seeking something. And we can notice that even if you are wealthy, rich, something deep down is missing. So you can experiencing anything in this world. You can possess all the material, beautiful cars, beautiful house, a swimming pool. Deep down something is missing, you see. And this something is within you, is you see. And when you slow down your mind, when you slow down this movement to seek, when you simply remain here, something is opening up. But profoundly, you truly know what I am talking about. Because when you were a child, you experienced this. The simple fact of being here, no past, no future, simply here, playing. Because life is a game, you see. If you take life too seriously, it will lead you literally to suffering. So this video is a simple sharing about what is living here, you see. And you can also wake up to this. This is the simplest realization, the simplest spiritual realization. Simply remember what is here. So you were never lost. You were never lost, you see. And my teaching is to stop directing your attention. And when you stop directing the attention towards mind, towards emotion, sensation, feeling, tomorrow or yesterday, you are simply here. And I know your question, so what is the attention? So the attention is a movement of consciousness. You see? For instance, you can feel your right hand right now. Try this. Simply feel the right hand so you can feel some tingling, some vibrations, some cold, because it's cold here. Now feel the sensation of your left hand. So simply feel the sensation of your left hand. Move to the right. Feel the sensation of your right hand. So what moves from right to left? This is the attention. And there is something, I would say, automatic within ourselves. When we wake up in the morning, there is a shift. The attention naturally directs itself towards mind, you see. But just before this, there is a gap of silence. When you wake up in the morning, there is a gap of silence. And this is you. Before all the memories, all the things to do appears, there is you. And simply by listening to the breath, consciously, being here and now, you naturally soften the attention, you see, to itself. So you relax the attention to the whole periphery of being, of what is here. And it's very comfortable, relaxing to be simply here without focusing on anything. And we call this simply being. And all the sacred books speaks about this, the I am. Because if I am simply here right now, I simply am, nothing more. Because everything that you add on top of I am is ego. This is not you. So you can throw this away, you see. And you can investigate with yourself all the thing that is after I am is not you, it's beliefs. Even your name is belief. And I know it might be strange, you know, because we identify ourselves with our physical body, our mind, our thoughts, you see. And the purpose of this is to stop identifying with this, to observe the mind with detachment, even this physical body. I am not this physical body. I am something unbounded, unlimited, you see. For instance, right now, if you feel your knee, your right knee, right now, you didn't feel it before. So you are not the physical body, but something directs towards the knee to feel it, you see. So this is the attention. So you are here, consciousness, and something directs towards the knee to feel it. This is you. And the purpose is to stop directing towards anything and simply remain as this. So I simply woke up from this, as this truth, because the only thing that truly exists is this right moment, nothing more, nothing more. There is only this moment. And it's very light when you recognize yourself as this moment. Because you are also this. You are not your past. You are not your story about yourself. You are not this ego. You are simply this. So stop believing your thoughts. Stop believing your beliefs. Stop believing your past. Stop believing this. Stop believing this mind. Stop feeding thoughts. And try to create space between thoughts and notice what lies between them, you see. So what lies between two thoughts is you, the real you. There is a silence within yourself. And this is you, or we could say this is us. We are exactly the same silence, you see. And when you recognize this silence as you more and more and more deeply, love, a true love starts to somehow emerge from this truth. A joy without any reason, you see. There is love because you recognize that everything is this. Everything is this silence. So you see yourself, everywhere, you see. So this is true love. And this is what you've been seeking your whole life, through another person, through a relationship. But the love you've been seeking is already within you right now, right now. And when you recognize this as you, the only one thing you want to do is to spread this message, as I've been doing. So, if you are interested, you can subscribe in this channel. I don't share spiritual noises. I simply share the simplest spiritualization again. I simply share about what we deeply are beyond beliefs. I give some pointers that points towards this, which is nameless, you see. And it's accessible to everybody, to every sincere seekers. But you have to be disciplined to find this. You have to be disciplined. I always say this, you have to put God first, always. But God is not somebody in the clouds, in the sky, you see. God is the essence of everything. So there is something, there is a kind of intelligence, you see, the intelligence of life. Yeah, which is the source. And we cannot explain it. You see, I try to explain God with words, but the more I explain this with words, I move away from what is here right now, you see. So it was a simple sharing. I wish you a beautiful day. Much love.